Hello students, as I already told you in the previous videos, there are 14 types of questions of academic reading module. So we already discussed the first type, that is matching heading question. Now today we are going to discuss the second type of question, that is reading summary completion. Now what is reading summary? The summary completion is basically a type of question where you will be reading a passage and with that information you will be filling the gaps given in the subsequent paragraph. Since the reading passage information like names, dates, places, etc., you must note it and refer to it while answering. In IELTS academic reading, the smart way to answer this question is to look for the missing words, whether it is a noun, verb, adjective, etc. And you can fill the gaps accordingly in this type of question. Two variations are there. Whether you select words from the text directly or whether you select words from the list of answers. So you must practice both. Now this type of question emphasizes your reading skills, like how you understand the detailed information within the text and the main idea that comes as part of the text rather the whole text. Now what are the skills required for this particular type of question? The first one is skimming. The second is scanning, जो कि हमें बाकी question types में भी बहुत needed है. The third one is recognize synonyms and paraphrasing. I stressed on these two words because they are very important in all type of questions. And the last skill required is use the right context to make the predictions. So what are the tips for answering this particular type of question? The first is locate the keyword first. The second, जो मैं पहले भी बता चुकी हूँ, look for a noun, verb, adjective, adverb and so on suitable for this question. The third one is the answers may not come in the same order as in the text, so watch out. So this is all about the summary type of question. For more such questions, save this reel and follow the page on Instagram and Facebook with the name CRA Center of Learning, and also subscribe the channel on YouTube with the same name, CRA Center of Learning. Thank you.